Philip Anselmo here in the Housecore goddamn jam room here with a fine body of man, Michael 9 of Eyehategod, and we're hanging out with these incredibly sketchy films from they love you and sketchy.
They went through your shit, I know that.
They rifled everything. This is King Parrot from Australia, and I'm plugging them because they fucking jam. And it's a not yet but another fucking awesome band from goddamn fucking Australia. And goddamn it, support the parrot, King Parrot. Everyone say it together. King Parrot.
I said, can you shit on my sandwich? He just smiled, took a shit on my sandwich.
These guys in Australia on AC/DC Lane, right? Remember that?
Right. That was
and you guys fucking blew me away. Y'all were awesome. Fucking amazing.
It was great fun. It was great fun for sure.
Nice, sick show. So.
And they're Baton Rouge
Much love.
On a Monday night, no less.
Rouge.
They fucking destroyed. They burnt a hole in the ground in Baton Rouge.
It's a long way away from AC/DC Lane.
And it's kind of hard to burn a hole in the ground in Baton Rouge because there's fucking water everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, anyone else have anything incredibly witty to say?
No.
You already?
I got AIDS.
He just woke up.
AIDS.
Bricks are heavy and eggs
You got AIDS? Is that what you said?
I got AIDS.
I got AIDS.
AIDS is flaring up. Is that legal?
Is that legal? It's street legal, I guess. Yeah.
I thought you were going to give us a guitar lesson. That's what you're doing, right?
In a weird way.
Gold freaking record.
Freak.
It's been amazing.
The gimp
The
head.
freak look.
The fucking gimp.
I mean, the fingering on this guy is fucking ridiculous.
I can finger you all day.
He's fingered me before.
He's so good at fingering. It's
I'm good. Look at
unbelievable.
the
It's amazing.
I'll finger you.
Kind of painful.
Who dat fingering me?
Oh. How did y'all feel about the show last night, King Parrot?
We had a fucking great time. It was good. Baton Rouge on a Monday night was like, it far exceeded our expectations because we had none.
Yeah,
So-
definitely. Yeah, it was almost like Phoenix on a Monday night. It was fucking great.
Because we kind of think of it as a shithole, but
But
Wait till they get to Siberia.
Not the venue, not the venue.
the country,
No way.
the country.
not the venue, the
It's
actual.
the actual country or wherever the fuck that place is.
It's a city.
City? Yeah, I've got to get out more. I just hang out in Baton
It's a
Rouge these
country.
days.
My geography
Yeah.
sucks.
He lives in Siberia.
He's on another fucking planet.
Yep,
Well,
that was good.
enjoy King Parrot. I suggest it highly. Eyehategod got a new record coming out.
May 27th.
Wow. and Down's got a new asshole fucking EP coming out, and I wouldn't be surprised if we did some gigs. Well, probably like with the Illegals, and gigs with King Parrot, Eyehategod, Down, the Illegals.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, curse word tour.
No cursing.
What, you mean like the C word? Are we allowed to say that in America?
Cunt, yeah.
I know it's a big,
right.
it's for yuck cunt, you know.
That's my favorite word.
Coming at you cunts, the tour. Coming at you cunts.
Coming up.
Thank you very much, guys.
Tell us about the tour.
Thanks, Phil.
Yeah,
Thanks,
yeah.
Gabe. Thanks, Mike.
The tour in North
really
America.
appreciate you
Come
guys.
and see
Cheers.
us.
Thanks a lot.
Cheers.
Check the phone.
Much appreciated.
Up a bum, no babies.
Woo! Disorder. So where are you guys playing next?
We're playing Siberia and New Orleans in a couple of hours. Then we're playing Atlanta the next day. But you can check out our Facebook page and all that sort of shit. We're
We've got
all the
dates
information.
right across America, right up until
What's
the
your
20th.
Facebook address? You got
Yep.
just King Parrot.
King Parrot Band.
You'll find us.
Yeah, you'll see it.
Yeah.
And yeah, all the good stuff's there. Store where you can buy our shit.
Buy the
Literally,
shit.
slats
We'll
of
also,
shit. He's selling it packaged.
we'll also be selling Eyehategod's new album as a bootleg.
Yeah, 100%.
I'm sure somebody's ripped it off. Especially these dudes.
Ablaze in the northern suburbs. Remember, King Parrot. Ablaze in the northern suburbs.
March, April, America.